they're just soaked.
Well, the ones in the back will be alright.
Yeah. My Grumman. Ah, no. Why? Ah, and the fucking 83. I'm stupid. $49, $48 and a corner cut off one. She takes a sec to warm up. Should be a square around here somewhere. Oh, she's morning time in inwood again. Look at what friggin' welder Schmidt Steve did. Holy shit. Way better welder than he. Well, he welds for a job. So, you know what I mean? You'd expect he would be. This barely has any Earl in it at all, so we'll give her a little drinky poo if we can find the hatch. Oh, maybe that's it down there. Funny that. Sometimes when you start it, the intake heater just stays on. You gotta shut it off and turn it back on for it to shut off. So that's awesome. Holy schnikowitz, boys. Took a minute. It took a few dozen stops, but we got what we needed. We got an end Berlini. That should do the trick. And then we got a hose Berlini. We got a tank Berlini. Friggin' welder Schmidt Steve. He's hurt on the equipment terrible. Just got to get a new end. It kind of looked similar to that before he started, but I figure we'll get a new one. Got some new dink ends and shit. Oh, this thing's friggin' awesome. Got the friggin' wireless charging on top too, so that's awesome. Oh, decent. Just marred the finish, so that's cool. Right on. No worries. No worries, buds. My apologies. Oh, but yeah, we'll try that dry ice blaster, shan't we? I think we shan't. Oh, check this out, new booty for the shifter. Still gonna screw it down, of course, but friggin' gave crawdad my trailer moving friggin' handle friggin' thing because I got chapters and all type of stuff, but it would have been super handy to look at the state of me. Can you even see? I'll have to get a spot under my thing so I can wipe the lens off. But get rid of my helmet here. But yeah, it does the trick. It you know, I mean, we're just testing her out. She's not the best circumstance, but I mean, for what it was, I mean, it was like under there, just completely crusty with goo everywhere. So, I mean, cleaned it up, cleaned that thing up like brand new. It was like totally mucky like the rest of it. But I don't know if I can, like right there, there's a good spot, but you know, you just got to get her more, I guess. Plaster down there, but in here too, right inside the cavity there, it got her pretty good, I guess. Not too bad. Isn't really what I thought it was. I thought it was gonna blast her right down to the bare metals, something relentless, but that's not the case at all. Nope. But yeah, for cleaning engines and shit, should be all right. We'll need to make some sort of a booth maybe, and then have have like a turntable or something in there, and have it, you know, waist high so that you're not crouching down and bending over the whole time too. Would be mucho blumic but yeah, there it is. Auto Tool, how you doing? In an hour and 2 minutes. So I moved the trucks and all that shit, and then this and that. So I don't know. We'll try to figure out how much, because I filled her pretty well to the top, and then we just went until it didn't, and then now it's empty, and then yeah, that'll be awesome. But I don't know how you're supposed to, with like a 10-foot son of a bitch, keep the shit out of the machine. You know what I mean? Because like the machine is spackled with the different greases and stuff. So yeah, we'll have to figure out some sort of situation for that, I guess. But yeah, tried her out. Works not too bad. I'll have to put her shit away here. We'll get the friggin' leaf blower out. Blow all this friggin' crap back to which it denounced. And it'll be awesome. But yeah, definitely need a suit of some sort. A protective suit.